Hi everyone, it's Raj. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review the SYGA Baby Safety Edge and Corner Guard Strip, which I bought from Amazon India for around 160 rupees. So, let's begin. So, here is the package. Inside it, we have the foam guard strip, then a manual and a double-sided adhesive tape. One foam strip is around 2 meters long and 6 to 7 centimeters wide. I chose the brown color, but there are plenty of color choices like grey, white, red, etc. I have already applied the product to some furniture and wall edges, but I will demonstrate it quickly while I apply it onto some more furniture. Here are the steps. 1. Clean the surface and leave it to dry. 2. Take the measurement. 3. Cut the strip of suitable length. 4. Stick the double-sided adhesive tape to the strip. 5. Now peel off the other side of the adhesive tape. 6. Finally, position and press the foam onto the surface. For corners, it is suggested to make a triangular cut for proper fitting. In this case, the color of this foam matches the furniture. I didn't opt for a light color for walls since it might get dirty over time. But you should choose the appropriate color to blend it to your decor or walls. It's also soft and cushiony. I'm very happy with this product and I think it's worth buying if you have a baby or toddler at home, and this will give you some peace of mind. A word of caution: some babies have a tendency to bite off and chew or swallow such soft materials. So be careful about that. Even though the manufacturer claims it to be 100% non-toxic. But it will definitely protect your baby while he is running around and exploring. You can find the product links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.